Hello, beautiful people. Do you live in the UK or you're holidaying in the UK and you have a Schengen visa and you would love to travel by road to some Schengen countries, but you're tired of taking plane and you want to travel by road? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can travel from the UK to other Schengen countries with your visa or you have your UK passport. So don't go anywhere because this video is for you. Stay tuned and I'll be right back. So guys, welcome back on my channel. Are you just joining this channel? You're welcome. If you're already a subscriber, we say welcome. So if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe to Hannah Ojo TV and you're welcome to Travel with Hannah Ojo, where we show you places to visit in Europe. If you are a tourist or a traveler, so this Hannah Ojo shows you Travel with Hannah Ojo, tells you places to visit and some interesting part of Europe. Okay, so without further ado, I said I'm going to be telling you guys how you can travel via road to other Schengen countries if you live in the UK or you're holidaying in the UK. Okay, so I'm going to start by telling you that there are two ways you can travel by road. You know, you can travel, not two ways, actually, there are different ways. You can travel by ferry, you can travel by bus, and you can also travel by train. So in this episode, I'm just going to be telling you how you can travel by road and the countries you can actually travel to by road. And also, there are two ways, like I said, that you can travel. There are some countries you can travel to direct by train, and there are some that you will have a stopover. So I'm going to be telling you these countries, first of all, that you can travel to by road direct without any stopover. So guys, you can travel by train direct to some countries, and train is Eurostar. So if you are coming from UK to other part of Schengen countries, you can take Eurostar. You can check them up online. It's Eurostar. So the countries you can travel to via train, via Eurostar, number one is France. You can travel direct from the UK to France, and you can travel to, when you get to France, maybe some they go to Paris, Lille, Lyon, and the Disneyland. So if you're in the UK and you want to go to Disneyland, my favorite part is Disneyland. So you're in the UK, you're holiday in the UK, and you have a Schengen visa, so you can travel via Eurostar to Disneyland. In case you have family, you can travel direct to Paris, you can travel direct to Lille, and so forth. Okay guys, don't go by air, go by road. Eurostar train. You can also travel direct with Eurostar to Belgium. You can go to Brussels and Antwerp. Brussels is the capital of Belgium. So if you find yourself in the UK and you're bored and you want to visit other Schengen countries, so via Eurostar you can access your way to Belgium, and you can go to Brussels and Antwerp. Yeah, and Brussels is a very beautiful place. I've been there. It's a cool place. I love Belgium. Like, I love other part of European countries. Okay, so guys, another country you can travel to direct with Eurostar without any stopover is Netherlands. You can travel to Holland. You can go to Rotterdam, and with a direct Eurostar train. You don't need to stress yourself. Just buy your ticket and go straight into the train, relax, and you know, go to Holland. You can go to Rotterdam and also Amsterdam. So when you're bored and you want to visit other countries while holidaying in the UK, you can also visit this country direct and see the beauty of European countries, not just only in the UK. Okay guys, okay, so these are direct train that you can take from the UK to other Schengen countries. And in the next, I'm going to be showing you guys the places, the countries you can travel to that are not direct, that you must have a stopover. Okay, so do you want to go to, maybe you want to go to Germany, but the thing is there's no direct train to Germany, so you would have to get to France, or you get to Belgium, or you get to Netherlands, and then you can get a transfer. You transfer from Eurostar to another Eurostar that would take you directly to Germany. So this Eurostar, these particular countries I'm going to be mentioning now are countries that you cannot travel directly to from the UK. So don't go anywhere. Okay, so these other countries I'm going to be mentioning are countries that you cannot travel direct to with Eurostar. You must have a stopover, you must have a transfer. So if you are coming to UK, if you are in the UK and you want to come to the other Schengen countries, like the countries I'm going to be mentioning, you cannot actually go direct by Eurostar train. So you need to go to you need to have a stopover in either in Paris, or you have a stopover in Netherlands, or you have a stopover in Belgium. So without further ado, let me tell you these countries you can actually go to on transfer. So you can go to Germany. So if you're going to Germany, you need to stop in Paris and then connect with another train to go to Germany. And also you can go to Spain, you can go to Italy on with Eurostar, but with stopover. Okay, and so you can go to Luxembourg, you can go to Switzerland, not direct, with a stopover train, and you can also go to Czech Republic, you can go to Austria, you can go to Denmark, you can go to Poland. All these countries you can go to, but they are not direct. So if you are planning on coming to any of these Schengen countries, you can look them up and book your ticket through Eurostar, and then you find yourself in Europe. Not every time you travel by air, you know, sometimes just feel the nature and you know, enjoy yourself on a road trip. I love road trips so much. I love road trips so much. Yeah, sometimes it's tiring, but I love it because I have phobia. Not really, but I'm scared sometimes when I'm in the plane. I feel this urge to just get to my destination faster, you know. So guys, and also you can go to Portugal, you can go to Monaco, you can go to Hungary, you know, by train. So, you know, when you travel by train, especially Eurostar, you will see the beauty of nature. You know, it's so scenic, and you really enjoy yourself, other than, you know, while you are airbound, and the only thing you see is just the sky. Okay, so guys, these are the list of places you can travel to by train, and there are also buses that travels from UK to France in case, and I know there should also be a direct bus that travel from UK to other Schengen countries, but I know so well of France, and I also know of ferries that travel from France to the UK. So there are a lot of options for you to travel if you are tired of traveling by air, so you can also travel by road. So guys, we've come to the end of today's episode on Travel with Hannah Ojo, on places you can travel direct from the UK. Okay, so if you stick to the end of this video, we say thank you, and always stick around because we've got some interesting things we're going to be discussing with you guys. I love you so much. So if you are new, kindly subscribe and turn on your notification button, and if there's anything you want us to talk about, always leave it in the comment section, and we'll always, you know, discuss it. Okay, so I got you guys. Thank you so much, and share this video, let it go viral. Thank you, and have a beautiful day. Bye everyone.